Use the hex wrench to remove the round plate from the bottom of the tabletop. Place the four wooden pegs in their corresponding positions on the bottom of the tabletop. Position the round plate on top of the three support legs and use the hex wrench to tighten the 12 bolts, securing the plate to the legs. Attach the assembled round plate and legs to the tabletop. Insert and tighten the final four bolts. Carefully flip the table over using the two support legs as a pivot point. Assembly is now complete.